Manipur Pride MMA Rise of Worrier 1 Haina Mingthonba event ama Chahi Ashigi April 3 dagi Houdoklagani Haina Rise of Worrier 1 gi event director RANGAM CHIRU PHONGDORAKLI wafam asi ngasilamdam asigi MMA fighter singbu malem gi thakta pukhatnabagi pandamga loinana pangthokadoriba event asiga mari leinana chingmairongda laiba classic randegi dynasty hall da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada phongdokibani mahangna makha taraduna team bonjo MMA fitness management asinduna pangthokadoriba event asi maru lamdam asida hauzik oidiba wathok lanthok kaya asina sanaroi singda mapung fana sanaba phanglaktabana maramoiduna mapalamda chatuna sanarakpa sing asigi khanduna masana asigi sanaroi singbu mapung fana senggatpa ngamnabagi pandamga loinana khongthang asi paikhalakpani amadi event asida amateur amasung pro fight sing leigani loinana event asigi screening April gi tarik 3 gi mamangda pangthokan haiba wafamsu phongtoki
Akoigi Sanaroi will constantly press fraternity and support everybody damak, encourage everybody damak. At the next event, Akoigi, our entire efforts from the grassroots level will entirely depend on the press fraternity. Once again, we request you today, and we hope that we will keep the Manipur Pride MMA Rise of the Warriors shining, as Akoigi proverb amalaiba mayamna su khange. Well, beginning is half done. Akoigi azalla haukiba azalla thaurang taukiba pugning mayam chen manana beginning taukibusna akoigi loisin busu fazagani habagi akoigi confidence adasu lazy. We will keep doing our efforts to promote our Manipuri mixed martial artists to the very best of our level.
4 years old habagi admana lawreba adubu akoi fighter singina kamai tawge akoi Manipur gi laireba situation jana jo record tan habidi akoi je apology share haina mala je ESPN India le je ESPN le yoga sida akoi fight kudi mam se professional fight kudi mam se da record update tawde adi mayam nasu gen apology halaga Jojo Rajkumar apology namai apology roshan naina adi pro fighter singi share or ESPN India halaga dum thokone yoga adu da akoi fighter singi record se yani ke update tawdega atopa organization da jojo yawi ke thare doga yahuda yawi just like atopa organization da pra sound like the singi record se dum sai buri namthara pa ta tathara pa abidi ori buba Arunachal da fight yam se le fight zone ne ba Arunachal fight sin de mostly Arunachal fighters ata oina phuna ne ba namdi moina sibe de ne na koi Manipur yaws amani but akoi Manipur fighter 30 and fighter pro fighter la aduga amateur level de 30 je aina count tawne do tawda ba mayam so le de fight